Hi, I am Siam Noor, the Chief Innovation Specialist at TiGrow, and today I'll be walking you through a TiGrow product demo. Here's what we'll be covering today. In our product demo, we'll be covering everything you need to know before using our product in just 5 minutes. We'll be going through the basics like personal profile features and company profile features. Under the company profile features, we will show you how to add colleagues, change settings, manage external clients, and most importantly, leading projects, setting deadlines, and communication tools like team chats and video calls. So let's get started. Let's start with the individual profile. Your individual work experience will be listed on your profile. You can add individual experience, as you can see, anytime as well. You can store basic information under this tab, such as email and phone number, using the basic information tab, and highlight skills on this corner. Then we'll move to a company profile. You can create your company profile by providing necessary details, or you can enter your existing company dashboard that you have already been assigned to anytime as well. Let's do that. The company dashboard will have important announcements and company overview at a glance, as you can see here. Anytime you can add a company announcement as well. As you can see, on the left hand we have the colleagues tab. You can see the list of all your colleagues in the tab. You can add members to your company and change the designation of present members if you're an admin anytime as well. If you go to the settings tab, you can assign roles and privileges, since admins hold power of what others in the company can do. This is very important, and all of this can be done in the settings tab. You can also add or view present company departments. Now we have entered the associates tab. You can check third-party stakeholders like suppliers and buyers and add associates as well. The associates tab will provide basic information about these stakeholders. Moving on to the project management tab. You can check all of your ongoing projects under the project tab. You can add a project, assign it to another admin and a department very easily, as you can see from this demo. At any point, you can enter a project, which will give you a variety of options. Project preface contains project information which can be updated anytime. It also has the space to upload files which are important to the project, as you can see from this demo here. The team tab will contain information about the team. It also had the option to add team members and associates. Finally, as you will see, you can assign roles to team members of the project anytime as well. Let's make this team member a moderator. The settings tab will allow you to change crucial project information. The room tab gives you communication channels to communicate with your project teammates. In rooms, you can highlight important messages. You also have the option to share files. And as we can see, you can share emojis as well. Now, to the next important feature of TiGrow, the video conferencing. After clicking the video call icon, you will see a drop-down of 2 options. The basic one is free to use. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another tab to create a video audio conference. Input your conference name and click on the Start Meeting to initiate it, as you have just seen. Here, you will find all the standard features, from screen sharing, on-screen chats, raising hands. You can even live stream your video from here. You can get your invitation link and then copy it to post it in another room, or ask your roommates to copy and paste the link in their browsers to join with you in the meeting, just like as we demonstrated here. After this, in the demo, we will move on to the board tab, which is important for task management. Here you can add boards for specific projects anytime. Inside a project, you can add tasks for each stage of the project. You can also add different stages as you go along the project as well by pressing Add Column. Inside a task, you can assign subtasks, cross-completed tasks, add due dates, assign specific members, and finally, you can add priorities to your tasks. On one corner, you can also add comments to the project as well. In the top nav bar, you will always be notified about important updates that have been happening inside your company. You will also get detailed company information in the Company Profile tab so that external companies can find you easily and request you to be their associates. This is the end of TiGrow product demo. Thank you for being with me. If you have any questions or if you want a subscription of our product, please reach out.